Howdy, this is Just Puzzling. My name is Chris. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Today we're doing a Killer Sudoku at the expert level on my iPad. I'll go through the rules and then start to solve it. Same as Sudoku, every column, every box and every row must have the unique numbers 1 through 9. The only difference in this one is that there's cages. So the cages here have a number in the top left hand corner. The top left hand corner is basically what it's got to add up to. So 9 here would be 1 and 8, 2 and 7, 3 and 6, or 5 and 4. Don't know which, but that's what it is. So that's it. The only thing that I will say, which is not necessarily a rule, is that with these puzzles, 1 through 9 added together is 45. And we'll take you through why that's the case. Alright, so I can see here a 1, I can see here a 3. 3 comes up here, so that's got to be a 1 there, because 1 and 3 equals 4, and that's the only numbers there. So 1 and 2 equals 3, that can't be a 1, so that's a 2, leaving this to be a 1. Now, interestingly enough, 22 plus 33 plus, 22 plus 11 is 33, plus 4 is 37. What I have is I have a spare cage here that's not a full cell. The others are all full, so 37 from 45 is 8. Okay. What else have we got? We know that that's 2 and 5. We know that that's 6, 8 and 9. 8 is there. 8 can be here or here. Alright. 8, 9. Oh, there's a 2, so that's got to help. Alright, so 10 plus 10 plus 9 is 29, 31, so this is 14. So this can be 5 and 9 or 8 and 6. 21 plus 13 plus 1 is 35. So from 35, that's 40. So that's 10. Not helping. No, not going to help. So 8 and 3. So this is all the other 11s there. 3 can be here or here because of this 3 and this 3. 1, 2. So you've got to say that 8 is one of these two, because 2 and 1, this has got to be either 3 and 7 or 4 and 6 or 6 and 4. Okay. Here's another one. 22 plus 11 is 33 again, plus 6 is 39. Over here is that spare cage that goes over, single cell, so that's 39 from 45 is 6, meaning this is a 2. Alright, so 2 plus 9 is 11, plus 12 is 23, 26, 45, 59, 66, plus 23 is 89. 89 from 90, because of the two boxes, is 1. Now remember, this has to be a 3 and this has to be a 3, so this has got to be the 3 there. Okay. 23 plus 7 is 30, 34. This is going to be 11, so this is going to be 7 and 4. So 7, 4, 7, 4, 7, 4. Alright. So 7 and 4 there. I could have done it without the maths. 2, 5. So 2 can't be there. So 2 is one of these in here. 2 is one of these two. So that's going to be 2 and 9 in there. 3, 9, 2. Can't be a 2. So that can't be a 9. That can't be a 9. Alright, so what that's telling me is the only place a 9 can go that can't be here, because 2 can't be there with the 9. Can be here, cannot be here, because that'd be a 9 and 2. And what I'm saying with the 2 there is that's 2 and 5. So it can't be there, and 9 can't be there with the 3, so that's a 9. Okay, so 2, 7. So this is going to be 4 and 7 here, or 5 and 6, 5 and 6. Now, it's not going to be 5 and 6, So it's going to be 7 and 4. Alright, 7 and 4. So this up here is 5 and 6. The reason being is because that is either a 4 and 7 there, so that'd be a 4 and 7. So 9 is one of these two. Eight and 1. So 1 comes down here, so that's a 1, leaving that to be an 8. So this has got to be the 4, this has got to be the 7, 5, this has to be the 7, and this has got to be the 4, leaving 9 and 6. Because of the 6 there, 8 and 6 there, this has to be the 9, leaving this to be the 6. So 9 is here, 2 is here. 2, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 and 9 are there. 2 and 4 are here. 7 and 9, 2 and 4. This is a mess, isn't it? 3, 4, 6, 2, 1, 1. So 1 can be there, there, there or there. So this is going to be 1 and 5 here. That makes sense. So this is 1 and 5. So 9 has got to be in here. 2 is in here. So 2's there. 2 can be here or here. Can't be there. So 2 can't be there. 2 can't be there. So that's a 2. Alright. And the reason for it couldn't be there was because of this 7. That'd be 2 and 7. So 2 is here. 9 is in here. 1 and 5. Two, 2, 2. So 2 is here. 5, 6, 8, 8, 8 and 3. So 1 can't be here. 1 can't be here. 1 can't be here. So this is 1 and 8. 1 and 8 here. Because this is 1 and 5, that's got to be the 8. This is the 1. Alright. So 1 can be here or here. 1 and 5. 1, 2, 3. 3 and 6. 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 can't be there, so that's a 7 there, leaving this to be a 4. The reason it could be a 7 is 2 and 7 would equal 9, which means that'd have to be a 2 there. So 1, 2, 3. So 3's there with a 6 there to add up to 11. So what I've got is 8 plus, so 19 plus 8 is 37, so that's got to be the 8 there, which means 8 has to be one of these two. Okay. 1, 2, so 3 and 7, 1 and 9, so 1 can't be here, 1 can't be here, 1 can't be here, so that's a 1, leaving this to be a 9. So 9 has to be in the bottom row, can't be there, so that's a 9 there. Which means 9 is in this column, which means 9 has to be there. Alright, so 9 comes up here, 9 comes up here, so that's a 9. This is a 7. So I've still got 2 and 4 here. 8 can't be there, so that's an 8, leaving that to be the 6. 2 can't be there, and never could be. 5 and 2, this is 2 and 8 here. Because of the 2, this is going to be a 2 here, leaving this to be the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's a 5 there, leaving this to be a 4. 1, 2, 3, and 7. And the reason for the 3 is this one here. So 3 is going to be one of these two. Can't be there because that would have to be 9 and 9. So that's a 3 there. 3 can't be here, so this has got to be a 3 here because of that row and that row. So that's a 7. We're working our way down here. 7 can't be here, 7 can't be here, 7 can't be here. So that's a 7. And this is going to be 4 and 6. No, it's not. 4. It won't be a 4. So it's 3 and 6. Yes, 6 can't be there. So this is going to be a 6, leaving this to be a 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 22, so that's got to be a 4 to add up to 26. I need a 4 in this row. Can't be there, so that's a 4. And apparently that's a 1. I'm surprised by that. Okay. So 9 is up here somewhere. 9 is there. Because it can't be 2 and 9, so 9's there, can't be there, so that's the only place a 9 can go. 9 comes down here, 9 comes across here, 9 comes across here, so that's a 9 there. 1, 2, 6, 8, so this is 4 and 7, 4's there, so this is going to be a 4 here, leaving this to be a 7. So the other 11 is 5 and 6, 6 is here, so this has got to be the 6, leaving this to be a 5. 1, 2, 3, so this is 8 and 2. 8 and 2. So 2 can't be there. So that's a 2, leaving this to be the 8. Still 1 and 5. 1 can't be there. So this is 1, leaving this to be the 5. So I've done all the rows here and below. Okay. 5 and 6 there. 2 and 4. 4 can't be there. So this is a 4, leaving this to be a 2. 2 comes across here, 2 comes across here, 2 comes up here, 2 comes up here, so that's a 2 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 9. So 9 can't be there, so that's got to be the 9, leaving this to be the 6. 2 and 6 is 8. To get to 13 I need a 5. 1, 2, so 4 can't be there. Where's the 8? 8 can't be there, so that's an 8. To add up to 21, that's got to be a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is still 5 and 6. 5 can't be there, so this is a 5, leaving this to be a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This has got to be 8 and 6, so 8 is there because of this 8 here. This has got to be an 8, leaving this to be a 6. Alright, so we're reasonably happy with that. Did that in 13 minutes. Quite enjoyed that puzzle. Hope you did too. Till next time, bye for now.